Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. So today I'm back with another new recipe, chili prawn balls. So let's see what ingredients we need to do this recipe. So for making chili prawn balls, we will need prawns, of course, some chopped ginger, garlic and chilies, green chilies, some chopped coriander leaves, lemon juice, black pepper. And for making the gravy, I will use diced onions. I have cut the onion in these shapes, some diced bell peppers, slices of garlic, slices of ginger and green chili. Also for making the gravy, I will use some sauces. I will use tomato sauce, green chili sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, salt of course, and little bit of sugar. I have removed all the shells of the prawn and now I will grind this. Into this mixture, I will be adding the chopped ginger, garlic and chili. The chilies you can add according to your taste. Coriander leaves or cilantro. Black pepper powder around 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice. I like things little bit spicier, that's why I am adding chili flakes. If you don't like spicy foods, you can definitely avoid this step. Around 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And mix all the ingredients very well. I forgot to mention, I will add corn flour also. It will be acting as a binding agent. I will add an egg to this batter. So I'll take around 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. One tablespoon of around 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, I have heated up the pan. I'll put some white oil in this. So in the same oil, I'll add the garlics. Add the chopped ginger and chili. And the onions. The bell peppers. I will add the sauce mixture into this. I will add the black pepper powder, around 1 teaspoon. The sauces have been cooked properly. Now I will add the prawn balls. As we can see, the prawn balls have got a very nice coating. Now I will add the water. Into this I have added around 2 teaspoons of corn flour. This will help the gravy to become a little more thicker. I will keep some gravy. That's why I'm adding little more water. This is a sauce mixture only. I don't want to waste it. That's why I'm using the same bowl. So I'm adding little sugar. I'm adding a pinch of MSG. If you want, you can totally avoid this step. And it's done. Now I will turn off the heat. And serve this in a bowl. I hope you guys like our video. If you like it, please share with your friends and family, and do try this out at home and let me know in the comments below how it was. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on our Facebook page. The link should be in the description box. And always keep an eye on Tele Jhole for new interesting recipes. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.